If you want to add text in Tinkercad, whether it's a name, a label, or simple lettering for a 3D design, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to text in Tinkercad step by step, so you can quickly place words onto your Workplane and customize them to fit your project. This is a great skill for making name tags, signs, plaques, classroom models, and all kinds of 3D print designs. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's get started. First, open Tinkercad and go to your design workspace. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Basic Shapes panel. This is where Tinkercad stores all the common objects you can use in your design. To add text, look for the red text shape. Once you find it, click and drag it onto your Workplane. As soon as you place it down, the text object will appear in your design. Now click on the text shape so the inspector window opens in the top right. This is where you can edit the lettering and change the way it looks. In the text box, type the word or words you want to display. You can enter a name, a short phrase, or any simple label that fits your design. After typing your text, you can also customize the font. Tinkercad gives you 4 default fonts to choose from, so you can select the one that best matches your project. If you want smoother, more rounded letters, use the Bevel setting. Sliding this option will round the edges of the text and give it a softer look. If you want even smoother curves, increase the segment setting. Higher segments make the rounded edges more detailed and cleaner, which can make your text look better when it is 3D printed. Take a moment to adjust these settings until the text matches the style you want. You can also move, resize, and rotate the text just like any other shape in Tinkercad. That means you can place it exactly where you want on your model, make it larger for a sign, or keep it small for a subtle label. If you are combining text with another shape, make sure the placement looks right before you continue. Once everything is ready, you can use the text as part of your final design, or make it a raised or engraved feature depending on how you build the model. And that's it. That's the standard and easiest way to text in Tinkercad. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference in your projects. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Tinkercad tutorials, 3D design tips, and beginner-friendly software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.